Sophia, what are you doing? Are you having fun? No, don't put it in your mouth. Wiggle it. Shake, 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 shake. Is that so silly? That's your very, very last happy birthday balloon. It's almost about to die. Are you going to finish it off? It's the only one that hasn't deflated. It's great fun, isn't it? Not near your mouth, my love. Does it go crinkle, crinkle, crinkle? Oh! There it goes. Whoop. Where is it? Pull it. You got it again. Are you destroying it? Yeah. Where's it going? Whoop. Mwah. Did you kiss it? Mwah. Very nice. You want to give your balloon a hug? Oh, where did he go? Ooh, there he is. Nice and close. You want to give him a hug? Hug the balloon. Hug him. Hug him. Oh, you want to give him a kiss? No kisses? Kiss. Mwah. Oh, you're so nice. Thank you. There he goes again. Oh, what a pretty balloon. Balloon? Oh, did you bonk yourself in the face? Did you go? Give me. Did you go? Bonk, 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 bonk. Oh, you love the balloon. All done? Okay. Where are you going?